under the burning sun, where the winds whisper secrets and the rivers run. Soul stands alone on the peak of the earth, in the heart of Africa where the journey's worth. But the lion's roar is just an echo now. The stars in the sky, they seem so far somehow. Lonely at the top of the world, Africa way, where the nights are silent and the shadows sway. Though the view is endless and the skies are grand, it's a heavy crown to hold, alone in this land. Mountains rise high, kissing the endless blue. Savannah stretch wide with a golden hue. In the cradle of life where time stands still, the weight of solitude a bitter pill. The drums in the night, they call to the heart, but the distance and silence keep us apart. Lonely at the top of the world, Africa way, where the nights are silent and the shadows sway. For the view is endless and the skies are grand, it's a heavy crown to hold, alone in this land. In the whispers of the acacia trees, in the tales told by evening breeze, there's a longing for a hand to hold. In the vastness, in the stories untold, lonely at the top of the world, Africa way, where the nights are silent and the shadows sway. Though the view is endless and the skies are grand, it's a heavy crown to hold, alone